I'll always choose you. Wanna give up on you, but I know I can't. I put the blame on me for giving you chance after chance. I love you, can't stand, and I try to be strong.
A good morning, y'all. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new here. My name is Sarah and I'm a pregnant mommy of 3. Here on my channel you'll find lots of motherhood content, vlogs, clean motivation, and more. If that's something that you're into, then definitely subscribe. Hey y'all. Oh my goodness. As you can hear, homegirl in the back is coughing. I sound a little off. We're sick. Me and Ava girl, we're sick. Yesterday was my birthday, March 31st. I turned 29 and fine. And honestly, I had a really good birthday weekend. Just spending it with family. Whew, y'all, I'm out of breath. Over the weekend, we went bowling as a family. We went to dinner, went to lunch. We did a little shopping. Yesterday, we did shopping yesterday, lunch yesterday. Like, we just been doing a lot. I'm so blessed and thankful. What'd you say, baby? You got me cake. Yes, the kids got me this cute little cake. We sang happy birthday yesterday, blew out the candles. Just a good birthday. Nice, wholesome family birthday. Anywho, we're at, what is this? Walmart right now. I'm out of, I was about to say diapers, not diapers. I'm out of Pampers? I'm out of pull-ups. Homegirl Ava is out of her pull-ups. So she had to wear AJ's pull-ups. AJ's like leftover pull-ups that he had. And she was not having it this morning. She was like, no, this ain't it. These are not mine. They're not my mermaid pull-ups, right? You want mermaid? Yes? Okay. This morning she had a whole meltdown because I made her wear AJ's old pull-ups. And his are like Mickey Mouse, I think. And hers are mermaid. So she was, complaining about that. I'm sick. Ava's sick. Homegirl Ava got me sick, y'all. Like, she's been coughing nonstop. And whenever, like, she gets sick, she typically sleeps in the bed with us. And that is how I'm sick. I've literally been sick this whole pregnancy. And I'm not talking about, like, pregnancy symptoms sick. I'm talking about, like, cold and flu season sick. And, like, my immune system is the weakest it's ever been. Like, it's so weak. They can sneeze and then, boom, I'm sick. So I'm about to go in here and get, AJ some Claritin because he has allergies. He's been having a runny nose, and I don't think it's like cold related. It's definitely allergies. I gave Ari some Zyrtex. I've been giving it to her like every day because she has really bad allergies too. She came home one day from school, her eyes were all itchy and red and watery, and I was like, oh no, yeah. The pollen has been crazy here in the south. Like, all you see is yellow everywhere. My car was covered in pollen. We went to the car wash twice for no reason because the next day it was covered in pollen all over again. Hubby got a new car. Hubby's getting a new car. We pick it up Friday. So since his other car is gone, we sold it. I've been able to park in the garage now. So I'm loving parking in the garage because that pollen, something serious. But anywho, enough of me yip yapping. Let's go ahead into this Walmart and get what we gotta get. Let's go. You want to go to Walmart? All right, let's go. These are AJ's favorite croissants. I'm gonna cook this with some rice and then add those vegetables. An easy $6 dinner. So AJ is obsessed with Sonic right now. He already has these 2 characters. But I'm gonna go ahead and give him this character. Comment down below if you know what the name of this character is. This has been my favorite juice this entire pregnancy. It's the last one on the shelf, so it's only meant to be. So these are the mermaid pull-ups my girl Ava was having a whole meltdown over this morning. You want the mermaid ones?
No.
No. What you want now?
What is that I said?
Elsa? We've never had these before. What's the difference? The price is the same. Elsa. We can try them. You're like a 4T, 5T. Okay. And then I've always liked to keep pull-ups in the house for AJ just in case. So we're gonna go ahead and get a box of these 5T, 6Ts. So AJ has picture day on sometime this, I think it's on Friday. I think I'm gonna give him like a little cute little outfit just to put on. Spring picture day. I feel like this is not like really spring. I don't know. Just something cute and simple for his spring pictures. I don't know. This little romper is so cute for little Ava. They have her size, 3T. This is cute. You like it? This little outfit is too cute too. Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse. And they got a Barbie one. So I think I'm gonna go with this outfit for AJ's spring pictures on Friday. Yep. So we're going to an Easter egg hunt. Maybe, I don't know, but they asked us to bring eggs, pre-filled eggs. So I'm trying to decide which one should we get. This one has jelly beans and stickers, and this one has, I think, like small little toys or whatever. I should probably get this one since it's 125 eggs, but for some reason I don't want all that candy. So I might just end up getting this one. I'm gonna find out how much this one is though. So let's get both of them and see how much this one costs. This one looks cool. I don't know. There are 3 golden eggs. Ooh, how many eggs are in here? 52 eggs. Okay, so I don't know about this one because it's basically $20 for only 52 eggs. The other one was like $14 for 100 eggs. But I like those. Has like little characters on it. I think I'm gonna try this for Miss Ava girl. You can't go wrong with Vicks. And it says ages 1 and up. So we're gonna try this cough syrup for tonight. Cause she was literally coughing all night long. So we're all done in here. Let's go check out. Thank you.
And you have a great big lollipop too. Very nice.
Say thank you. Hey y'all. I'm so like giddy. I'm so excited. Today's gonna be a good day. Today is a special day for hubby. He is about to get his new car, y'all. This man is such a hard working provider. Like, I'm so happy for him. I think I'm more excited for him than like anything. Like, I'm all yay, and he's all like calm, cool, and collective. But anywho, we just pulled up to the BMW dealership. Hubby had his car built like 3 months ago. It just got here, and now today is the day of the reveal. So let's go in here and check out hubby's new 2025 BMW M3. Let's go.
Yo ho, the Bel Air.
this
My
thing.
life got flipped, turned upside down, and I'd
better
like
take
to
this
take a
con-
minute and just sit right there. I'll tell you how I became the prince of a town called Bel Air. In West Philadelphia, born and raised on the playground is where I spent most of my days. Chilling out, maxing, relaxing, all cool and all shooting some b-ball outside of the school. When a couple of guys who were up to no good started making trouble in my neighborhood. I got in one little fight and my mom got scared and said, "You're moving with your auntie and uncle in Bel Air." I begged and pleaded with her day after day, but she packed my suitcase and sent me on my